close to the start the season again from Queensland. So winter's coming closer to Melbourne, so we move and we start growing in North Australia. As you can see from this video, see there is some base matter. See the soil, those little balls there? Fertilizer, which is, we could see from the soil what it was needed to head. Because the soil on its own can't do everything. Sometimes we need to help it to be able to grow the plants. Before that step, there is another step where there is myself, the agronomist, going around with the proper toolings and take the samples, the soil samples. Why this? To check and see what the soil conditions are. Then we put some fertilizers, a based fertilizers, which is help the soil to give the nutrients needed to the plants. Third step, as you can see from these two guys in the video, they're laying treacle and plastic. Now treacles, those black pipes, then is used to water the plants, and the plastic obviously put in the soil where then we will plant through the seedlings, which they will be ready by the end of March. So by the end of March we will go back in Bowen and we see the transplanting process together. Thank you all for following us. Please, if you do like the video, bang, push the like. If you do have any questions, send them through. I love you all. I'll see you next time.